us.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Chaparral, a lovely neighborhood situated in the southeast corner of Calgary, Alberta. This community was established in the late 1990s and quickly became known for its beautiful landscapes and well-planned amenities. Chaparral is named after the Spanish word chaparral, which refers to a type of shrubland ecosystem reflecting the area's natural beauty and open spaces. The neighborhood is centered around the stunning Chaparral Lake, a man-made lake that offers residents opportunities for fishing, boating, and relaxing by the water. Chaparral is also home to extensive pathways, parks, and green spaces, making it a perfect place for outdoor enthusiasts. With its serene environment, modern amenities, and a strong sense of community, Chaparral provides an ideal setting for families and individuals looking to enjoy a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle in Calgary.